Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we've had a pretty strong move off the bottom here. So far this week is looking like a hanging man at the moment. Could be a pin bar. Interesting to note on the weekly that we do have a bit of a crossover brewing here. My opinion is we are still in a consolidation phase, which is basically a weekly wedge. So today is non-farm payrolls, and that's what we need to wait for. So I'm still sitting on the sides. We do have what could be a double bottom. There is your double bottom, and we had the retest yesterday. And what you've also got brewing is what could be a cup and handle, and that basically means we need to break above that high there. So for me today, it is sit on hands until non-farm payrolls comes out. We'll have a look if there were any opportunities yesterday morning to get into this trade. Not that I was in there, I was still sitting on my hands. So at the moment, move up. Also a little bit of a wedge play here. I suppose not so much a wedge, but more of a channel. So that's a flag break. So any pullback onto structure is something we need to buy. We've got a crossover of all the moving averages on the 3 hour. The 8 hour, we have it starting to brew, but we're still underneath the 155. So no clear signal on the 8 hour. If we look at the 1 hour, oscillator's gripped to the upside at the moment. So I would expect some kind of and it's going to be a messy one, but that looks like the most logical area there. That's 41.50. So what you'd want to see is some kind of a drift lower. Wait for non-farm payrolls. It'll be a bit volatile around this area here, and then give us the opportunity to start looking for trades. Personally, I think I'm just going to sit quietly on the sidelines. I need to see this level go. So for 4,200, if we can get above 4,200 and start building some support above there, then that is definitely the opportunity for me to start loading up on longs. So I have already put in quite a few longs sort of while we've been going up here. Not so much on the S&P, but on long-term portfolios and a lot of tech stocks that have been pretty cheap. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Now, if we look at the 15-minute for yesterday, there was nothing here indicating a potential move. The only thing that was here was the oscillators with a bit of diversions, but no real break. Retest of the break of the flag either. So it was kind of a messy trade up. But I think it's going to be interesting today. If non-farm payrolls is what everybody's expecting, you're going to see some kind of a base here and then an attack at this level, 4,200. Break through 4,200, then it's game on. But I think it'll only happen next week. So, the only thing that's going to get me short again is a drop below. Let me just put it in. And that below this double bottom here. So we get back below 4075, then you need to start looking for continuation to the downside. But for now, potential trend reversal is brewing. We're looking for support off some structure, and we're looking to buy into this. It's going to be more volatile with non-farm payrolls, so if you are going to trade it, just keep your position size very small and wait for that first 15 minutes after the data is transpired. In actual fact, wait for the first 15 minutes of the market opening, because the data will come out before the market open. It'll still be volatile then, and then you may find some trades. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Clearly sitting on hands. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.